Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior, and we have a black interior. Sunroof, steering wheel, driver's seat with lumbar support. To have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. This vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Rear seats. Quick look up here at the front. Coming around to the back, we've got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, and push button to fold down the seats there for extra storage, and push button to close the trunk. And hopping inside the vehicle, mileage currently at 48,448. We have a push button ignition. Here we have a touchscreen display. Currently showing radio, navigation, and backup camera. Below the display is climate controls, as well as buttons here to also access some of those functions we just showed you there. Below that we've got cup holders, as well as a wireless charging port for a cell phone. Command module here for also making adjustments on the display. And our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.